Hey guys, it's me again. So today I'm gonna share my thoughts about some new and emerging technologies, and honestly it's kinda mind blowing after I did my research about it. So bear with me. So there are technologies like uh, AI. It is modern today. Artificial intelligence, gene editing, virtual reality, and even brain computer interfaces. So at first, they sound, uh, how do you say this? Complicated. They sound super complicated. But when you break them down, they're basic. Uh, they are basic tools that try to improve human life. So it makes things or our life easier, like making tasks easier, curing diseases, or even connecting our brains directly to the machine. So now, imagine if these technologies become mainstream someday. So I guess society would think a lot. Like AI could replace many jobs, like those crew in the Jollibee, like what happening in Cebu, huh? Cebu City. The crew is emerging AI. They are using the modern trends, creating, and they can create new, and in the very future. Healthcare could improve also because of gene editing, uh, meaning of your editing, dayon, ay, fewer diseases, dayon, at, uh, but at the same time, there are risks also. Think about everything has these advantages and the advantages, but at the same time, there are risks if you have, but at the same time in AI, there are risks if you have um, what we call those benefits like privacy. The risk is privacy issues, inequality, or people relying too much on technology. Personally, I think it's exciting. No, AI is exciting, but also a little scary. We'd have to be responsible in how we use these technologies because time might come that hmm, we will be uh we are we will be manipulated by those AI. Personally, I think it's exciting but also scary. Hmm. That's for what I have said. We'd have to be really responsible in how we use this technology. And lastly, I look into the other technologies as our advisors and ethics said that we should do some research, and I found out that challenge what we usually think is natural. For example, those lab grown meat, those being experiment by a lot of scientists, the cloning, and how we replicated things, artificial organs, replacing body parts in our body, then those AI generated TikTok trend, AI generated music like platforms like Gemini, and all of this can blur the line. And just like the Sierra Madre, it is not fun, and we are being manipulated by that. All of this can blur the line between what's natural and what's really are man-made. So yeah, overall, technology is evolving really fast, and it's definitely challenging how we see the world. So it's up to us now to decide how we use it in the future. The thing is, especially we are generation zombie. So we are the pag-asa ng bayan accordingly to Jose Rizal. So it's up to us how to decide the future or how to decide what will be in our future. Take note, guys. Just remember that every action has its consequences. AI can be useful for you and for yourself, but time might come that it will be harmful for others, or it will be it can destroy our tomorrows. Bye guys, thank you for watching.